chapter today. Happy New Year, very Happy New Year to all of you. Today we will start the new chapter as the last chapter we have completed. And now today we will start from market to home. So we will start chapter 15 from market to home. So it is a story of a vegetable seller and about his routine. Whatever he does for his work, whatever the things are needed to do in his home and how his family members help him. So this is the story about his all day routine and all day work. So the name is it is started here from market to home. My name is Vaishali. So Vaishali is the name of the son. My father is a vegetable seller. My whole family, Amma, Bhaiya, Babuji and Chotu, and I help him with his work. So he is helping his father. How he helps his father, it is given here. Can you guess at what time we begin our work? They started at 3 o'clock in the morning. When most people are fast asleep, we begin our work. Babuji, Amma, Bhaiya and I take out the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags and basket. This is to prepare for bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi. Sometimes Chotu also help us. So who are the family members of his family? His father, his big brother, elder brother, himself, he, Vaishali, and his younger brother says Chotu. Okay, his name is Chotu. As we finish doing this work, we having some tea. So at 3 o'clock, they get up, all the family members get up and they started to work. What the work they at first started? They take out all the vegetables which were previous day vegetables. They brought it out and they started to keeping them in the gunny basket and they sprinkle some water so they look fresh. Okay, then as we finish doing this, then after finishing that, all the family member do it and then they had their tea. So they have their tea at first at 6 o'clock. Then the tempo comes and the all neighboring persons who also go to the market for buying vegetables, they all together go to the mandi along with his father. Okay, now mandi means a big market where the things are it is a wholesale market where the things are cheap in rate and they carry it and then they sell in the open market. Okay, now does anyone in your house have to get up very early? What time he or she get up and why do they need to put up so early? So generally in our house, your father and the family members go to school or some offices. Some of the people are businessmen also, so they get up early. So for any reason, if any of your family member get up early, you will write his name and why, what is the reason. Maybe he or she has to leave the station and go to the another station. That's why that person is getting early. Maybe the person, your father or your grandfather, may be a businessman, so he has to go for his business. So whatever the reason, you can write. Now see, preparing for the day. So what are the preparations? While Babuji is away, Amma, Chotu and I put previous day's vegetables on gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them 6:30 a.m. Babuji is back from the mandi with basket and sacks full of the fresh vegetables. At this time, our house look more like a small vegetable market. There are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra, pumpkin, gourd, chilies and many other vegetables all around. Everybody help in sorting the vegetables. The vegetables which are not fully ripe, ready to sell, are kept aside. We have to sort the vegetables fast so as to reach the bazaar as early as possible. So 6 o'clock his father left for the mandi. Then he brought lots of vegetable from the mandi and then they take out the previous day's vegetables because they were already stale, so they sprinkle some water on them and they keep them in a gunny bag. Gunny bag means boshta. You have seen boshta, no? So these are the gunny bags made up of jute and they keep the vegetables on these bags and sprinkle some water so they look fresh, and then along with the fresh vegetables they sell them. So after that they arrange all kind of vegetables in their different kind of basket, whatever their babuji has brought, and few vegetables which are not ripe enough. Ripe means they are not being mature or they are not ready to sell, they keep them aside. So sorting means they are just taking out the vegetables which are ready to sell and which are not ready to sell. They are making two categories of the vegetables. So that time all over I mean in his house it looks like a small sabzi mandi, because everywhere the vegetables were scattering. So they think that it is a it seems to be a small market. Then different type of vegetables like brinjal, potato, tomato, okra, bindi, gourd, chili, some lots of vegetables they have brought. And now his babuji has to leave for the for the sabzi mandi, because where he will sell his vegetables. Okay. By 7 o'clock, babuji arranges all the vegetables on the hand cart and leaves for the bazaar. He says that if he is late, then his regular buyers may buy their vegetables from somewhere else. As soon as babuji leaves, I quickly get ready as I have to reach school by 7:30. So his babuji always try to reach at the vegetable I mean mandi, or you can say in vegetable market before 7 o'clock, because the regular buyers generally, you have seen also at your home that your grandfather, maybe your grandfather, mother or father who goes to buy the vegetables, they usually go early in the morning because they want the fresh vegetables. So everybody goes mandi for to buy the fresh vegetables. That's why he tried to reach in the vegetable market before 7 o'clock, because if he will become late, so the regular buyers means the persons who buy the vegetables in a regular basis and every day from him, maybe they will buy from the neighboring shops if he will not present there. You see, no, sometimes we also become particular about the shops, that I will buy the vegetable from that particular shop, because every day if you buy the vegetable from that particular shop, it will become a relationship between the vegetable seller and whatever the shops are there. They sometimes they suggest that don't take this and take this, these are the fresh vegetables. So it is a type of relationships. Few people always very particular about to buy the things from a particular shop. So he don't want to lose those customers who buy the vegetables from his shop at in regular basis, or regularly they come there to buy the vegetables. That's why he always try to reach at his shop before 7 o'clock, because from 7 o'clock he started his shop. And how he's carry his vegetables, he carries vegetable by keeping all the vegetables on a cart. So why it is called the cart? It is called hand cart, because who carry this kind of cart, they have to push the cart by their hand, and there is no cycle system or no any machine or battery system. So this kind of carts are called the hand carts. Okay, generally the vegetable sellers bring their vegetables in this type of cart. It is easy for them, and all kind of vegetables are arranged on the cart. Now the Vaishali has to go to school at 7:30. So after his babuji's departure, he started to get ready. And what about the Chotu? His school is at noon or afternoon. That's why he goes to the market, and he carries some breakfast with him for his babuji, that means his father, and for his elder brother, and he provide them breakfast and some kind of tea, maybe something. Okay, so they brought it, they just bring those things in the to his babuji and his brother. And after that he stay there till his school time is getting over. And when his school time, when he has to go to school, that time he come back to his home, and still that he just stay with his babuji and bhaiya. He tries to see that the previous day's vegetables are sold first, and they always try to sell the vegetables which are being stale or which are previous day vegetable. They try to sell them first, because in few days maybe they will become it will become, I mean, spoiled. Okay. And somebody has written here, Devoshmi has written, okra means bhindi. In English, they say okra. No, dear. It is a local language, maybe in Hindi or maybe somewhere, some very regional language. Okra is actually very regional language. Somewhere, some provinces, it is to be called the okra. And in English, bhindi is called lady's finger. Okay. It is not at all okra. Okay. Now, next, turn over the page number 122. Babuji sell the previous day vegetables first. Why do you think he does this? Write down. Page 122, answer 1. Babuji sell the previous day vegetable. Why do you think he does it? Babuji sells. You can write in book also. Previous, and if you have available copy, then you just write in the copy. Previous days vegetable first, otherwise it will be spoiled. Okay, Babuji sells previous day vegetables first, otherwise it will be spoiled. So that's why they try to sell the vegetable, previous day vegetable first. Have you seen dried and spoiled vegetables? Write down yes. In garbage. Next, how did you know that vegetables were spoiled? They become vegetables becomes soft and smelly when they becomes spoiled. When they becomes spoiled. Vegetables become soft and smelly when they becomes spoiled. Now, Chotu is helping his family. What do you think Chotu has learned from it? Chotu is learning. What he is learning? What Chotu is learning? Chotu is learning his family tradition, isn't it? So write down. Chotu is learning his family tradition. What is his family tradition? His family tradition is selling vegetables. Maybe he will become a more successful businessman, but yes, his family traditions. Yes, very good. Okay. Now, how do you help the elders in your family? This is your homework. You will write it by your own. Okay. Now, as the previous day vegetables get sold, write fast. Bhaiya takes out fresh vegetables from the sack. And when the old vegetables or previous day vegetables has been sold, yes, 4 is Chotu is helping his family. I have written, no? 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4. Chotu is learning his family tradition. Okay, then what are your questions? What is the last question? Okay, then don't write the fourth answer. If the in my book it is there are 5 questions. Maybe it is a old book. So whatever I have written, if you have only 3 questions, then write only the 3 questions. Okay, no need of writing the fourth question. Okay. Now as the previous day vegetables get sold, Bhaiya takes out fresh vegetables, because at first they sell their previous day vegetables, then they started to selling the fresh vegetables, so that they do always keep sprinkle water on the vegetable so they do not get dry up. And they try to sell the vegetables and they sprinkle water on the vegetables so they do not get dry up, especially in the summer. Babuji and Bhaiya returned home after a long day around 10 o'clock at night. So they come up in the home, they come back to their home at 10 o'clock, and then Chotu and I were asleep, even else sleep around 11 o'clock to 11:30. So Chotu and Vaishali, how much time you will take to write just 3 lines? Write fast. Write fast, dear. Write fast. Okay, thank you. Now, this is the time, 10 o'clock, maybe his father and the elder brother come back at the home. At that time, Vaishali and his younger brother Chotu, they fast asleep. That means they get sleep. So everybody other than, that means the elder brother, mother and the father, they get sleep at 11 to 11:30, and again they have to get up 3 o'clock in the morning. So their life was so so hard. They had to do a lots of work. They had to give a lot of efforts for their livelihood, isn't it? So they did a lot of work. And what again, another day they again started their routine. Now there are the 3 pictures. Is it given in your book? This is given in your book? Okay. Now it is given the, it is not given. Okay, so there is a comparison. Okay, what comparison? At 3 o'clock, what Vaishali has to do? Write down. At 3 o'clock, write down here, wake up. Page number 122 again. Compare it. Morning 3 o'clock, Vaishali is, write down, wake up. And the second, at 6 o'clock, have tea. Have tea. And the third one is, at night, 10 o'clock, what he has done? He sleeps. And you will write your own by your own self. At 3 o'clock, what you do? Generally you sleep. And at 6 o'clock, mostly you wake up. And few of them still that time they sleep. And the night, 10 o'clock, maybe you are studying and maybe you are watching TV, maybe you are fast asleep. So whatever your routine, you will write it down over here. Okay. Now next question. From where do you get vegetables for your home? Who bring the vegetables? So it is your answer. You will write maybe in few houses, and the things are being taken, or the things are being taken from the neighboring shop. Maybe few of the father or grandfather or mother go to the sabzi mandi. So whatever your home, you will write it down. Now here there are some vegetables. You have to color them. Okay, it is your homework. You will color all the vegetables according to their real color. Okay, now next, turn over the page 124, page number 124. So it is given fruits and vegetables that spoil quickly, fruits and vegetables that can stay for some day. So we will write it down here. 124 page. Fruits, vegetables spoil quickly. And another green color is given for fruit and vegetables can stay for some day. Stay for some day. So I hope the all green vegetables spoil very fast, whereas the others stay. So spinach, you just put them in the spoil. S-P-I, spinach. Potato, we will put it here. Then banana. Banana stay for some day. Yes, tomato. Then pear. Chiku. Wait. Pineapple. The things which are given here, we have to write from there, okay? Yes. So the pineapple, gourd will spoil. Onion will not spoil. Cabbage will spoil. Cucumber will spoil. Grapes will spoil. There are options. Which options are given? We have to write only them, okay? You don't have to write your own. The options are given here. We have to choose it from here. Now, grapes and ginger. Even the ginger dry and we use them. So, ginger is also there. Cauliflower is not given here, dear. Now, some of these fruits and vegetables are smooth to touch and some are rough. From the list above, you put the names in the correct column. So, what is spinach? Is it smooth or rough? It is smooth. Okay. So, spinach is smooth. Yes. Potato is when the potato are new, that time their peels are very, rough. So you can write it is potato is rough. Banana is smooth. Tomato is smooth. Very good. Wait, dear. Don't jump. We go serially, no? Pear is? Yes, pear. Then chiku. They are not smooth. Chiku means shofeda. Okay. Then pineapple is also rough. Pineapple is rough. Then gourd is smooth. Gourd means low. If bitter gourd, then that is rough in, that is rough. Okay. Now, cucumber. Gourd. Onion is also rough. Onion is rough. Cabbage is smooth. Cabbage is smooth. And cucumber I have written. No, I am not written. Cabbage. Cucumber is also smooth. Ginger is rough. And grapes are also very smooth. Okay, so this is the table we have categorized according to their roughness as a smoothness. Page 125 is given the color of the apple, banana, potato, their length and their price. So all these you will write your own. This is your homework, as well as the page number 126. This is also your homework, because you have to write the name of some vegetable. Ask if you know some vegetable seller, then you have to ask about them. Okay, so this is no need of asking them, you just do it by your own. Okay, so that's all for the day. You just give your attendance, please. And yes.